For this problem, we are required to find the complete solution for this linear differential equation, and we are given the conditions y is equal to 1, y prime is equal to 2, and y double prime is equal to -1 when x is equal to 0. First, we find the solution for the homogeneous part of the equation. We set the equation first to 0 and then get the characteristic equation, which is m cubed plus 2m squared minus m minus 2 is equal to 0. To find the solution of this equation, we use first the process of synthetic division to find one of the roots. So we do the following process, and then we find that 1 is a solution. After doing synthetic division, we are left with the equation m squared plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0, which is easily factorable to m plus 2 and m minus plus 1 is equal to 0. And then we get m minus 2 and m minus 1, which are solutions for this equation. Since we already have the three solutions, we can now get the solution for the homogeneous part, which is yc. Now yc is now equal to c sub 1 e to the x plus c sub 2 e to the negative x plus c sub 3 e to the negative 2x. Next, we find the solution for the non-homogeneous part of the equation. We'll be using the method of undetermined coefficients to find yp. So we get since we have 10 sine x here for the non-homogeneous part, the corresponding yp for it is a cos x plus b sine x. Then we get the derivation of it, the derivative y prime, which is equal to negative a sine x plus b cos x. And then we derive it again to y double prime, which is equal to negative a cosine x minus b sine x. And then we substitute the values, the conditions which are given earlier, the values y minus 1, y prime is equal to 2, y double prime is equal to -1 when x is equal to 0. Remembering that cosine 0 is equal to 1 and sine 0 is equal to 0. And doing the substitutions, we finally get that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to -2. Substituting it to the value for yp, we finally get yp is equal to cosine x minus 2 sine x. And then we check whether if yp really is a solution for the original equation. So yp is equal to cosine x minus 2 sine x. And then by doing the following derivations, and then we substitute this y prime, y double prime, and y triple prime to the original equation and check whether is it equal to 10 sine x. And from seeing this equation, we see that 10 sine x is equal to 10 sine x, which checks. And finally, we arrive to the final solution, y, which is equal to yc, the solution for the homogeneous part, and plus the solution of the non-homogeneous part. And the final answer, the final solution, is y is equal to c sub 1 e to the x plus c sub 2 e to the negative x plus c sub 3 e to the negative 2x plus cosine x minus 2 sine x.